Tree sap might look harmless, but it can quickly damage your car's paint if left untreated. It is sticky, tough to remove, and gets worse over time. Luckily, with the right steps, you can easily get rid of it at home without harming your car's finish. Sanitizer helps break down the sticky tree sap quickly, making it easier to wipe off without damaging the car's paint. Take a small amount of sanitizer and apply it directly over the tree sap stained area of the car's surface. Then gently scrub the treated area using a soft, clean microfiber cloth. You will see that the sticky sap comes off easily and without much effort. Repeat the same simple process on all the visible tree sap spots. Apply sanitizer generously and gently rub in circles. For car windows and glass, you will need a quality glass cleaner and a proper glass scraper. After spraying the glass cleaner, gently and carefully scrape the tree sap from the window glass without scratching it. Once all the sap is removed, you can use a good exterior detailer spray to finish off the car and go over any remaining imperfections. If you prefer, you can also polish or wax the car surface to restore shine and protect the paint. This final step will help your car look clean and well maintained. At the end, take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe off the entire car surface thoroughly. By following this simple and effective method, you can easily and safely remove tree sap from your car at home. Rubbing alcohol effectively dissolves hardened tree sap, allowing for easy removal without harming the car's surface. Before working on the sap, you can wash the area with some soapy water and a sponge. Then, dry the area with a clean microfiber cloth. Next, add a generous amount of rubbing alcohol to a cotton swab or soft cloth. Apply it to the sap spot and rub the area in a circular motion. Keep rubbing gently until you no longer feel any roughness or stickiness. After that, use a sponge with soapy water again to clean off any remaining residue. Then wipe it down with a dry microfiber cloth. By using this easy and effective method, you can easily remove tree sap from your car without damaging the surface. WD-40 loosens and softens tough tree sap, making it easy to scrape off without scratching the car's paint. It also leaves behind a slight protective layer, helping to prevent future buildup. Apply some lubricant like WD-40 over the sap spot, and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, take a popsicle stick and gently rub the treated area. Just emulsify it enough, and you will see the tree sap coming off pretty well. Wipe the area with a clean cloth. If a little bit of sap is left, gently rub it again with the popsicle stick, and wipe it off. After that, take a polishing compound, and dab a cloth into it. Then apply the polish to the treated spot in small circular motions. Finally, clean the area with a microfiber cloth. By using this easy and effective method, you can easily remove tree sap from your car without damaging the paint. A cleaner or degreaser breaks down sticky tree sap, making it easier to wipe off without damaging the car's paint. Apply a cleaner or degreaser directly to the tree sap area on the car, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then spray the degreaser again, and let it sit for about 30 seconds. After that, wipe the area with a microfiber cloth. As you gently scrub, you will notice the sap coming off easily. This simple method will help you effectively remove tree sap from your car. Tar and sap removers like Tarminator are highly effective when dealing with stubborn, baked-on sap that regular cleaner cannot handle. Its micro-active cleaning technology breaks down the complex molecules found in tar, grease, sap, and asphalt with ease. This makes it especially useful for spots that have been sitting on your car for a long time or hardened under the sun. Tarminator works quickly to dissolve the residue without damaging your car's paint or clear coat. Using a specialized product like this can save time and effort, making the sap removal process even more efficient. Goo-Gone Automotive Spray Gel is another excellent option for removing tough substances like tree sap, gum, bird droppings, and even spray paint from your car's surface. When dealing with sticky sap spots, this gel works effectively by breaking down the residue without harming the paint. It is specially designed to be surface safe and no drip, making it perfect for use on vertical car panels where sap often lands. Simply spray the gel onto the sap-stained area, let it sit for a few minutes to loosen the sap, then gently wipe it off with a clean cloth. It is a quick and reliable method to keep your car sap-free and spotless. By following these simple and effective methods, you can easily remove tree sap from your car and keep its surface clean, shiny, and protected.